Donut store into Delhi, or rather we can say that their first store is being opened up in Delhi today. They opened their first store. They've given some guidance for the Dunkin' Donuts stores, FY13, this is this financial year, 10 stores, but over the next 5 years about 80 to 100 stores, so about 20 stores or 25 stores on the max you can assume every year to be coming up under the Dunkin' Donuts brand. Now, if you look at Jubilant FoodWorks, why the markets are excited about Dunkin' Donuts is because their franchisee of Domino's seem to have attracted a lot of investor interest, and Dunkin' Donuts is also something from which people are estimating, a lot high. So let's look at what the street estimates are. First of all, if we would largely look, CLSA is factoring in about 95 rupees in terms of, the value for Jubilant's Dunkin' Donuts business. Secondly, what they are saying is that Dunkin' Donuts is a very specific business. We've had two successful business, similar sort of line. One is Cafe Coffee Day, a very well-known brand, and second is Mad Over Donuts, which is the second brand. So Dunkin' Donuts offers both of them together. So it gives you an experience of something like CCD with donut as a value add. So that's why most of the brokers on the street are very excited about this particular brand coming in Jubilant FoodWorks, and they believe that it can do the run rate of about 30 to 40 lakhs per store, something what Cafe Coffee Day already does. Apart from that, if we would also look in terms of how Dunkin' Donuts has been in Asia, firstly they have over about 10,000 stores across the globe, out of which the recent foray has been into Asia. So Taiwan, China have been particularly their focus area, and these are the only places where they have launched separate sort of menu catering only to people in China, people in Thailand. Also done a lot of advertising in terms of high brand building into Asia. So that they believe is something which will come into India, but the break even is something which is only expected in FY15. But definitely, street seems to be very, very excited in terms of these Dunkin' Donuts stores being opened.
All right.